Okay, here we go. My name is Saharu Ma'amen. I just got a GoPro Hero 12 Black. I'm in the process of trying to get to know the functionality of this GoPro. This is my first video I'm making. I plan on using this GoPro on my trip to East Africa for 30 days with my family of four, my wife and my two sons. We're going to be making a travel log of our trip, and we are going to put all of it on YouTube. And you know, that's what we plan on doing. I'm just, you know, trying to get like I said, used to using GoPro. I've been making YouTube videos now. My wife and I have been making YouTube videos now for about 2 years, in various things: health, finance, etc., etc. But here I'm doing this today. Like I said, I'm trying to get used to this GoPro. It seemed like a pretty good camera. I know a lot of YouTubers use it. Seem to have good results with it, etc., etc. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna wrap it up now.